and you will keep me close, and rain will make the flowers grow.
But you will live, Pauline, dear God above. If I could close your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me. So don't you fret,
dear Emily, you won't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. I'm here.
That's all I need to know. And you will
I'll
keep
stay
me
with you
safe.
till you are
And you will keep me close.
sleeping.
And rain
And rain
will make the
will make the flowers grow. She is the first to fall, the first of us to fall upon this barricade. Her name was Eponine. Her life was cold and dark, yet she was unafraid. We fight here in her name. She will not die in vain. She will not be betrayed. Here comes a man in uniform. What brings you to this place?
I come here as a volunteer.
Approach and show your face.
You wear a dummy uniform. That's why they let me through.
You see that prisoner over there?
A volunteer like you.
A spy who's him so schwer.
He's gonna get it too.
They're getting ready to attack!
Say this and use it well. But if you shoot us in the back, you'll never live to tell.
How they run away.
Like nothing on the day, they will be back again, make an attack again. For your presence of mind, for the deeds you have done, I will thank you, monsieur, when our battle is won.
No thanks, monsieur. There's something you can do.
If it is in my power,
Give me me the spine, Javert. Let me take care of him.
The lorry's inside out, the world is upside down.
Do what you have to do. This man belongs to you. Hold yourselves in readiness. The enemy may be regrouping. Come, my friends, back to your positions. The night is falling fast.
We meet again.
You've hungered for this all of your life. Take your revenge. How right you should kill with a knife.
You talk too much. Your life is safe in my hand.
Don't understand.
Get out of here.
Valjean, take care. I'm warning you.
Clear out of here.
Once a thief, forever a thief. What you want, you always steal.
You are wrong. And always have been wrong. I'm a man, no worse than any man. You are free, and there are no conditions, no bargains or petitions. There's nothing that I blame you for. You've done your duty, nothing more. If I come out of this alive, find me at number 55, Rue Plumet. No doubt our paths will cross again. Go!
Sophia, you take the watch. They won't attack till it's light. Everybody stay awake. We must be ready for the fight, for the final fight. Let no one sleep tonight. Marius, rest.